Hey guys, this is the unboxing video for CKL Matrix Dual Monitor HDMI KVM switch CKL-922HUA-M. It comes with 4 pieces of HDMI cables, 2 pieces of USB 3.0 cable. This is the IR receiver. This is the IR remote. Battery is not included. This is for the mini USB cable for the wire remote. Power adapter and the KVM itself. And finally, the user manual. Now we have 2 computers. One is the desktop PC, another is the mini PC. Both are Windows. Each computer needs 2 HDMI connection and 1 USB 3.0 cable connection. On the desktop, it has a DisplayPort output using DisplayPort to HDMI adapter, and this is direct HDMI. On mini PC, it has 1 HDMI and 1 USB-C to HDMI adapter and then HDMI cable. On the back side, it has a USB 3.0 port. On the front panel, keyboard port, mouse port with hotkeys, USB 3 ports. This is the Hotkey on-off button. This is the matrix mode button. This is the AB toggle switch. This is the IR remote receiver. This is for bring HDMI audio output. Now on back panel, this is for PC1 input, HDMI input A, HDMI input B, USB input. This is for PC2 input. This is the HDMI out A, HDMI out B, power on-off switch, DC power input, mini USB port for wire remote. Now let's hook up PC1, HDMI in A, HDMI in B, and the USB. This is for PC1. Now let's hook up PC2, HDMI input A, HDMI input B, and the USB, like that. Now connecting HDMI output A to monitor A and HDMI output B to monitor B, and the wire remote. Okay. Now we are going to hook up the Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse set with this unified USB dongle into the USB keyboard port, and then this is the IR remote receiver. Now everything is hooked up. Let's turn on a KVM. It may takes up some time for the monitor to be recognized. This KVM switch supports 2 display modes. Mode 1 is dual monitor mode, which means the dual monitor will be on one selected computer. Use this button to switch between 2 computers. Mode 2 is matrix display mode, which means the 2 monitors will be on 2 different computers. Use this button to enter matrix display mode. Second push is to swap the monitors between 2 computers. Now the right monitor is on PC1. The left monitor is on PC2. And then third push is to exit the matrix display mode. The LED under the right white button indicates if the matrix mode is on or off. There are multiple ways you can switch between the two display modes. You can also use the keyboard hotkey, this wired remote, and this is IR remote, and also use the mouse roller clicks.